Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code for a discount. This is Daikoku with their chicken soy sauce ramen. They gave it a big, long, fancier name, but as you can see here, it says chicken soy sauce ramen on the label on the top in an arcing fashion, so there you go. And so we will add our items to it, let it steep, and yippee. So it is Tuesday, the 20th of February 2024, and I believe the sky is falling outside. It is looking wet. And, yeah. So, depending on your viewpoint, that's good or it's bad. I'm okay with it. I gotta be inside it today anyways, so I'm not gonna complain. So, yeah. And I don't know. I just don't know, folks. It's 9:25 a.m. here. Getting messages from the Right Honorable Reverend Dick Kazinia. Those are those little dings. And today I'm doing a mukbang, and I haven't done one of those in a while. That's kind of exciting, methinks. That's coming up later. So far, yeah, this week I'll be doing get up to today when I'm done doing my reviews, there will be 80 reviews to go until I hit number 5,000. That's crazy. I think I just posted review number 4,750 today. And the last one, and I'll be at 4920, so that's 170 ahead. That's a lot. But yeah, we're looking at hitting 5,000 in November. Think that's the deal. This one appears to have a lavish amount of seaweed. Not something I'm super thrilled about, but what do you do? It won't hurt. But that's a lot of seaweed. Jeez. Is it really all that necessary to have that much seaweed? Chicken shoyu. Well, I haven't put in the liquid sachet. This one I didn't expect to have a liquid sachet. I don't think there have been really much of any Daikoku varieties that I've gone, oh my god, this is good. But we'll see. This could be one of those. Wouldn't be such a bad thing. Not much going on in the news right now. Yeah. And I don't know. I can't think of anything to talk about. That's not helpful. I am excited though. I'm just waiting for the day that my wife says, dude, they're giving me the computer. I get to bring it home and all that. I'm gonna be like, dude, really? Dude. Ooh, this is dark stuff. But yeah, I'm excited about that because that means I get to put on my fix-it hat or whatever you want to call it and then tack up Ethernet cable around the house. That sounds like fun. It may be fun, it may be a pain, but either way, it'll be an experience, and when it's done, I'll be able to sit back with my Pepsi and Fireball and go, hey, look what we did. It's done. Bannering. So there we are. Let's give this a try. Noodle's all right. I'm not incredibly enthused one way or the other. It's not bad. It's not spectacular. Okay. Alright, let's add in our stuffings. As you can see, if it wants to give up the size of the bowl or the pot, here comes our lavish amounts of seaweed. Yeah, just not enthusiastic about that element. I gotta be honest, it's just not my thing. At our Narutomaki. Hey, and weave an egg. Wow, it didn't get that dark. I guess I didn't use enough soy sauce. I'm loath to use too much soy sauce because then it really invades the central plane of the egg, which makes it just look super dark, makes it look like a century egg, honestly. And that's not what I'm going here for here. Okay. A little bit of onion. The onion we got at the local grocer. I think I already mentioned this. I don't know, when I get bad produce, I get a little lippy about it, so. Maybe a little shichimi to round things off. And there is that. And that's what we got. It's not bad. It's not my favorite. But yeah. It's not bad. All right, the next one you're gonna see will be this. This is ABC Celera Pedas, and this is Pedas Nampol. I believe this is spicy beef flavor. So we'll find out on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.